Your code execution path is broken because of the e2mfc Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm here to help you resync your system libraries. To start the walkthrough for e2mfc Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the e2mfc Library, a specialized MFC Microsoft Foundation class extension. It manages unmanaged UI templates and logic for localized desktop applications, facilitating the visual orchestration of modular software manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. To fix this properly, reinstall Visual C Runtime Extension. Go to the Microsoft website, download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C Redistributables, and install them. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including e2mfc Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or unverified version of e2mfc Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to e2mfc Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and e2mfc Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.